Lee filter stopper. This filter stopper from Lee is famously known for its quality. Big stopper from this brand reportedly has a 10-stop rating, while the little stopper has up to 6-stop rating. In addition, the brand also launched its super stopper that comes with 15 stops. Lee also produced different physical sizes for each filter starting from 75, 100, and SW150 holders. Lee also famously known for its handmade product that comes with high quality and its quite heavy price tag. Overall, the filter stopper from Lee is worth the money you spend on it, as its system works extremely well and perfectly blends the pro-grade photography. Take the SW150 Mk II filter system for example. It has adapters for leading ultra-wide lenses with built-in hoods, which preclude the attachment of a holder via a screw-in adapter ring. There's even a companion app that can help you calculate the right exposure when adding any stopper filter. Cooking Nuisance exmaple ND Kit. Cooking is famously known for its legendary square filter system since 1980s. The latest high-end range of Nuisance extreme filters from this brand are made from shock-resistant tempered mineral glass, and a new kit that comprises ND8, ND64, and ND1024 filters with 3-stop, 6-stop, and 10-stop ratings. Cooking launched their filters on 3 sizes: medium, large, and extra large, or famously known as P, Z Pro, and X Pro in Cooking's terminology. These 3 filters comes with 84mm, 100mm, and 130mm wides. Format High-Tech Firecrest ND. Format High-Tech is famously known for its high-quality filters that comes with a wider range than most filters. As a buyer, you can choose between square or circular filter options. The square filters are available in 5 sizes, from 1-stop to 10-stop densities. In single-stop increments, there are also Firecrest 13 and 16 options, with 13-stop and 16-stop ultra-high density ratings if you want to. In circular filter options, there are super slim circular filters that are available from 29 to 127mm thread sizes. In addition, the single-stop increments are available between 1-stop and 10 stops, while the 13-stop and 16-stop circular filters are available in 72mm, 77mm, and 82mm sizes. SRB Elite Bundle Kit. This kit combines a square filter holder for 84mm wide square or rectangular filters, and 2 circular ND1000 and circular polarizer filter, which have a 82mm diameter. Even though it sounds like a unique mix, the filter holder actually comes with a threaded circular cutout for additional circular filter. You can screw the portable ND1000 filter into the holder, then attach it and detach it to the adapter ring on the lens easily. This kit from SRB Elite is definitely worth your money. In addition, the attachment rings is launched in a wide range of sizes from 49mm to 82mm, and you only need to spend $10 each to bring a new ring to your home. SRB currently also sells better sizes range of other ND filters on various strengths, including a very good 84mm square ND64 6-stop glass filter that the brand sells for $39. Hoya Pro ND. This filter is made from high-quality materials covered in black frames that minimize unwanted reflections, like stopping power on this filter comes from a SW150 metallic coatings that can smoothly blend the light into your object. The filter range has now grown into 9 filters which give reductions on between 1 and 9 f-stops, most with a variety of thread diameters from 49 mm up to 82 mm. If you prefer a high stopping power, you can choose between a 10-stop Pro ND 1000 filter in 46 to 95 mm sizes and a 16.6-stop Pro ND 100,000 in 58 to 82 mm sizes. B plus W ND 800 Series 3. B plus W recently launched their latest ND800 series that they claim based on high-quality glass with a combination of coating to boost performance. There are no less than 7 layers on both sizes. There are no less than 7 layers on both sides of the glass. These include the nanostructure coatings and an outer layer that can help you with greasy finger mark. Different products launched by B plus W include the 802, 804, 806, and 810.